Banana is a type of fruit from herbaceous plants of the genus Musa. Musa species grow in a wide range of environments and have varied human uses, ranging from the edible bananas and plantains of the tropics to cold hardy fiber and ornamental plants. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Health benefits of bananas. 1. Bananas are one of the best fruit sources of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 from bananas is easily absorbed by your body and a medium that's sized. Banana can provide about a quarter of your daily vitamin B6 needs. Vitamin B6 helps your body produce red blood cells, metabolize carbohydrates and fats, turning them into energy, metabolize amino acids, remove unwanted chemicals from your liver and kidneys, and maintain a healthy nervous system. Vitamin B6 is also good for pregnant women as it helps meet Th. 2. Potassium in bananas is good for your heart health and blood pressure. A medium-sized banana will provide around 320 to 400 milligrams of potassium, which meets about 10% of your daily potassium needs. Potassium helps your body maintain a healthy heart and blood pressure. In addition, bananas are low in SO. 3. Bananas can aid digestion and help beat gastrointestinal issues. A medium banana will provide about 10 to 12% of your daily fiber needs. Singapore's Health Promotion Board recommends a daily dietary fiber intake of 20 grams for women and 26 grams for men. Soluble and insoluble fibers play an important role. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If there is any point that you like, please share it with us in the comments section.